What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Here is an exciting information for Samsung Galaxy phone users out there. Samsung is adding a brand new feature called Smart Manager on One UI 8.5. Galaxy Techie on X has shared some important screenshots here. He says there is a separate menu for a lot of utilities on One UI 8.5. We have got something called Smart Manager. And what's more exciting here is we do have app lock option on the screenshot that he has shared. Now let me open the first screenshot here. As you can see, this is the Smart Manager section. Probably this is available on the settings menu. On the top, you can see if there is any issues found on your device, it will show up right here and you can fix it right from here. Then comes these options here. We have got battery. It shows the current status. And probably when you tap on it, you will get to battery section. Then we have got protection. Here we will see all those threads. Let me just open the settings quickly here. And let me open device care here. Here you go. This is what we currently have. We've got battery, storage, memory, app protection, performance profile, etc. And on One UI 8.5, it looks something like this. We have got battery, protection, storage. Here in the storage, you can see the junk files which are shown here, and it also indicates the app icon on which you have got these junk files. We've got memory, 3.3 GB available. It says app running in the background. It shows the app icon, and then we've got data usage, blocked call messages. Let's go to the next screenshot. This is where we will see app lock under app tools. As you can see here, we've got app tools right here, app tools section, under which we've got app management, reinstall preloads, app lock, and app compatibility. And we also have options like power boost, sleep standby, background control, battery protection, charging settings. And then we have got other additional options like free up space and system safety. And at the bottom, you can notice here there are two tabs, phone status and utilities. Now this is the utilities tab on Smart Manager, and you can also tap on phone status to check what's happening with your phone. Now let's go to the next screenshot. You can see we've got some more options here. Free up space, which we just saw in the previous screenshot. System safety, payment safety, privacy lockdown, trusted applications, lapse app state restoration, accelerate app launch, keep apps active, additional care, software update, maintenance mode. Now, I'm not sure whether this is something we would prefer to have. The aesthetics here, the design of the UI here. This looks kind of scattered everywhere. Probably the previous version, something like this would be really good. If they can organize this and make it more simple and more accessible, it will be really nice. But this is currently the leak from One UI 8.5 build. And some of these options could be available only on the Chinese version of the UI. We are not sure about that. We can see the app lock option right here, and this app lock is currently available on the Chinese version of the One UI, and let's hope that this app lock will arrive on the One UI 8.5 in all the other markets. Now Galaxy Techie has also shared some additional information here about the app lock, which is found on the Chinese version of the One UI. Let me open this here. You can see app lock type. You can set pattern, pin or password. To use the unlock methods below, set the app lock type as pin, pattern or password. Then go to settings, security and privacy to add your biometrics data. So you'll be able to use not only pattern, pin and password. We can also use face and fingerprint unlock for your app protection for app lock. Let's check out the next one. We've got protection. You can see app lock is turned off on this particular screenshot, but we can see app lock will be available under protection. And he has shared some additional information here. App state restoration. Restore apps to how you left them before they were unexpectedly closed. You can then pick up from where you left off. However, this might not work for all applications. So if you're using an application and it closes unexpectedly, you will be able to pick it up from where you have left once you reopen that application. And this may work on some of the applications. And then you can see on this screenshot, we've got some more additional options. We've got allow background data usage, use data without restrictions, background control, sleep standby optimization. I think this is all related to your app lock feature. Now this is currently available on the Chinese version of the UI, like I said. And I hope that Samsung will make this available for the One UI 8.5 across the globe. That would be very, very interesting to see. Next, here shared some storage related screenshots. You can see we have got the storage menu here. It looks like we have got more options now. You can see we have got the available storage here and the consumed storage. Then we've got junk files, which is right here on the top. And then installation files, app data, WeChat, whatever he has got on his phone, gallery trash and images. And then we've got installation files, app data, and we've got gallery trash here, images, videos, audio, documents, themes. And we have got some more settings here for storage. Adaptive battery, limit battery usage for apps that you don't use often. Your phone will learn how you use your applications over time. Then we've got sleep standby optimization. Extend standby time by limiting performance during your sleep. This may pause non-essential and battery intensive features and connections. So we've got some brand new menu options, some brand new features coming up here for the storage menu as well. And he has also shared some information about keep apps active feature. You can see we've got this toggle keep apps active. Keeping your app running in the background for smoother performance and timely notifications. Turning on this feature will allow the app to run in the background without restrictions, so it may lead to additional battery and data usage. You can set the timing right here. And you can also see the battery option here. We've got this progress bar here, and we have got the additional options here. As you can see, we've got these options for filtering all restricted, optimized, restricted deep sleep applications. You can filter here. You can sort the applications using this. So there are some new options available on One UI 8.5, and it's going to be very, very interesting to see these options on this upcoming update. Now, I will be sharing a detailed video about One UI 8.5 very soon, so stay tuned for that. I will probably collate all the information related to One UI 8.5, what's coming, what's not coming. Everything will be put in one video. I will soon post that, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel. And let's hope that application lock will arrive on the Galaxy phones across the globe. Let me know if you think app lock is needed on your phone. Apple did add the app lock on iOS 26 and it just works seamlessly. It's buttery smooth. Once you lock the application, it will be hidden inside a locked folder. And once you unlock the application and go to home, it'll automatically get locked. You don't really have to lock the phone to lock that particular application again. The moment you go home, the app will get locked. And I hope Samsung implements something similar to that. Let me know what do you think. What are your thoughts about this? Drop a comment. And we are running an offer on Volvo's application. The lifetime membership is currently available at 50% discount. Do go ahead and check it out. There are some beautiful collections on the application. We keep adding at least about 10 to 15 wallpapers almost every day. So do go ahead and check it out. The link for the application is in the description. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.